Hey everyone, it's Jacob. Today I thought I would record just a quick video tip on how you can utilize level automations, in particular to notify your team when an incident happens in real time. So let's go ahead and start with creating a brand new automation for this. And I'm going to call this Notify DevOps, and we'll just do a manual trigger. And if we scroll down to this notification section, you'll see we have a few options. The first two here are really notifying the end user. And then the last two, we have the ability to send an email as well as send a text message. So let's say we want to send a text message when something happens in real time. So first thing we're going to do is enter what phone number we want to notify when an event occurs. You can add multiple numbers here by separating them with a comma. And the second piece here is going to be what message do we want sent to that device when an incident occurs. In this case, you'll see we're making use of some level system variables as well as some internal variables that we've made as well. And here we'll just give this name, send SMS. And that's it. We now have an automation that can send a text message when an event happens. The next step is going to be hooking this automation into a monitor so that it all happens automatically. So let's jump over to a monitoring policy here. And if we pull up our server policy here, we can pull up any monitor that we want to leverage this on. Let's say like when a server goes offline. And then we can choose to run that automation as a remediation automation. So in this case, we're going to notify the DevOps team anytime a device goes offline for more than a minute, as long as that device is a server. So if we jump back to that automation that we just created, we'll be able to see that the automation now has an additional trigger. Specifically, when a server goes offline, that can trigger this automation and a text message will get sent to your team or any number that you've configured, in this case, on that action. Hope this helps. Thanks.